Hi everyone! The 2025 housing market predictions are in. And if you've been keeping an eye on the real estate scene, you'll want to hear this. Spoiler alert, there's some really good news and a few things to keep in mind if you're looking to buy or sell this year. Well, let's dive into what's ahead in the real estate world for 2025. According to Lawrence Yun, he's the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors. Well, he has an optimistic outlook this year. He's forecasting some solid growth and predicts that home sales will see an increase of 9% for existing homes, and even more exciting, new home sales are expected to jump up by 11%. That's some pretty encouraging news for sellers looking to cash in and buyers who are finally ready to jump into the market. And if you're thinking about how home prices will look, well, here's the deal. Median home prices are expected to rise about 2% in 2025 and the same for 2026, according to Yun. That's nationwide. And experts give it a range of anywhere between 1.5% to 3.6%. So not a massive jump like we've seen in the past, but a steady and manageable increase, which is good for both homeowners and investors alike. Now on to mortgage rate outlook. Well, the good news is that experts predict them to stabilize at around 6.4%. Yun expects the new normal to be around 5.5% to 6.5%. Not exactly what we'd call low, but it's definitely doable. And if you're hoping to snag a better rate, I'll give you a quick tip. Improving your credit score could really make a difference when you go to lock in your interest rate. Now, taking a look at where housing inventory will be, we expect to see an increase there. After years of tight supply, a report from CoreLogic suggests we're finally seeing more homes on the market. The seller lock-in effect, that feeling of, I don't want to sell because I have this amazingly low interest rate, well, we're starting to see that ease up and more sellers getting ready to put their house on the market for a move. So what does all of this mean for the market? Well, overall, the market is still slightly favoring sellers nationwide, as well as here in San Diego. But remember, local dynamics really matter. So if you are in a desirable market, things could be totally different. So always check in with your local real estate agent for the most accurate picture. Well, here's the bottom line. Real estate is still a great investment. Why? Because at the end of the day, people always need a roof over their heads. It's tangible, reliable, and it's a great way to build long-term wealth. So whether you're buying, selling, or just curious about the market, 2025 looks like it's going to be a year full of opportunity. So keep an eye on those interest rates coming down and the inventory levels rising, as well as your local trends, so you can be ready to make your move. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment with your thoughts on what you think the market will look like in 2025.